In this video, I'll show you a simple way to create a realistic AI influencer without spending any money. You don't need premium tools or any technical setup. Just follow these steps and you'll be able to build one from scratch. Let's start with the face of your influencer. Open Pinterest and search for something like Beauty Influencer Portrait. Scroll through the results and pick a photo that matches the personality and style you're going for. Once you find the right one, download it. Now head over to LoveArt AI. The platform gives you 30 free credits every day, which is more than enough for this process. Click on the plus icon, choose Image Generation, and upload the photo you saved. Select the Nano Banana Pro model and set the aspect ratio to 3:4. After that, paste your prepared prompt from the description and click Generate. In a few moments, your AI-generated influencer image will be ready. Download and save it because we'll need it for the next step. Now it's time to bring your influencer to life with movement. Go back to Pinterest and find a short video clip you'd like to recreate. Maybe something with dancing or lip syncing. Copy the link, use any online video downloader, and save the clip to your device. To match the outfit and pose, we need a still image from that video. Open any frame extraction tool, upload the video, and export the first frame as an image. Save that frame. Return to LoveArt AI and upload 2 images: the frame you just extracted and your AI influencer image. In the prompt box, write that image 2 should match the outfit and pose of image 1. Keep the aspect ratio at 3:4 and generate again. Now your AI influencer will appear dressed and positioned just like the person in the reference video. Download this updated image. For the final step, go to Google Flow. Upload your latest AI influencer image and paste the motion prompt you want to use. Start the process and wait for it to finish. Once it's done, download the final video. And there you have it. Your AI influencer now moves naturally, shows realistic expressions, and follows the same motion as the reference clip. The result looks incredibly real. If this video helped you, like the video. Subscribe to AI Rush Minutes for more AI tutorials, and comment below what type of AI video you do.